I just woke up, I feel really hungry, so I decided to pop into the kitchen and make myself some banana pancakes. So how to make the banana pancakes is you need a pinch of baking powder, olive oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I've used vanilla pods, so you can use that also. We also need one banana and 2 eggs. So what we're going to do first is we're going to peel our banana, and then once we've peeled our banana, we're going to put it in the bowl and mash it up till it's a thick puree. So once it's mashed up a little bit, we're going to take our eggs and we're going to put them in the mash. Just like that. Now while we're mashing, we're going to add our ingredients. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and start whisking it. Once your batter is ready, we're going to get our pan ready and we're going to put half a teaspoon of oil. Now, just going to take this and put it on our pan. Make sure to do it from a low high because you don't want to get it splashing everywhere. Just let that cook for a while, then flip it and then do another pancake. Once it's cooked, you're just going to try and flip it. Be careful because you don't want to end up burning. Once your pancake's cooked, we're going to slide our pancake across onto our plate. And you can put any fruit or syrup on it. I'm just going to put syrup on it. And now we can try it. It tastes perfect. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with all your friends. Bye!